Some people complain about having to work late, and then for others of us, this is working late. Yeah, nice day at the office. What most people consider training with their firearms is to go out to the flat range, a couple times a month and put 25, 50 rounds downrange. And they're working on fundamentals, things like accuracy and, other basic things. But then we lose sight of just the nature of defensive encounters in general. So what we do at the end of each month is we get together and do some training in our own kit, our plate carriers, our battle belts, our medical gear, things like that. And we learn how we react in those environments. We also learn how to work with each other as a team and as a unit. As we get away from things like the flat range and just the things that we can do on our own property, a lot of times we have that accountability with training with each other. Other people are there with eyes on to see any kind of mistakes that we make and can help us remedy those and get better as time goes on. We also have the ability to move and shoot, which is a highly underutilized skill. So sit back and enjoy some of the clips of our training days. All right, so we're going to be going from our duty rigs. Whenever we hear threat, we're going to engage the targets downrange. You ready? I'm ready.
Threat. 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 Threat.
Go.
Stand by. I do think it's important to note that the people that come out and train with us are at all different skill levels, everything from beginners to experienced folks, law enforcement, prior military, current military. Everybody has their own training background and things like that. So we try to draw from what's going to work best for us now as civilians, and the things that we could theoretically face, as well as learning how to work with people from different backgrounds in a dynamic environment. So if you're watching this and it seems intimidating, don't be. Everybody starts somewhere. So if you'd like to get in on this and do this sort of training with us, stop by the shop, talk to us. Like I said, we normally do it the last Sunday of each month. We'll start with the ruck march, the conditioning, which is good. It's a great opportunity to work on your personal fitness. It's a good chance to build some camaraderie and just have a good time. So this is definitely one of the highlights of our month, this training day and getting out. And then a lot of us do some training on our own as well outside of this one day a month. So absolutely come by the shop and talk to us, and if you want to be included in the next one. All right, guys, keep training whatever you do. Enjoy the rest of the clips.
Threat. Threat. You ready?
Ready.
Threat. Shooter ready?
Ready.
Threat.
So when he's given the go signal, he's going to go, but he's going to be using his laser only in preparation for night vision training. Shooter, ready?
Ready.
Threat. Nice. Shooter ready.
Ready.
Threat. Shooter ready. Threat.
I'm right here behind you.
All right, I'm gonna move to my right too as I do it.
All right, I'm walking with you.
All right,
Ready?
ready.
Threat.
On my threat signal, the shooter is going to engage the target with a demonstration of a controlled pair. Shooter ready?
Ready.
Threat. Notice how the shots were spaced. Shooter took time to acquire his target. Next, on my threat command, the shooter is going to engage the target with a hammered pair. Shooter ready?
Ready.
Threat. These are shots fired in rapid succession with less time spent on aiming between shots, typically used at closer ranges.
Threat.
So he's going to be doing a box drill. When given the signal, he's going to do center mass, headshot, headshot. Shooter ready? Threat. Nice.
Threat. Dissatisfaction right there. That's dissatisfaction.
I need a red dot.
Right? All right.
I'm better with optics.
Cold rain.
I'm grading this out right here.
Is that your equipment? We call this the brass goblin.
That's the little one.
He comes out to range day every day.
I got one that weighs twice. That's a 200.
Hey, brass goblin! Get off my range!